everybody, and today I'm going to show you how potential energy and kinetic energy works. Now, I have paused the simulation so I can show you what I am going to be doing. So these are both at 90 degrees. Now, I have the gravity at Earth, but I can set to the Moon, Earth, Jupiter, Planet X, which is when you go into those math forms, but I'm going to keep at Earth. And because we work on Earth physics, so, and I can also adjust the length and mass of each one. So, and also I am going to put in a ruler at the halfway point. This is at 90 centimeters, this is at 70 centimeters, and if you want to play around with this simulation yourself, there's a link down below in the description. So, for this, we're just going to play. Now, there's settings here. For this, I put it on slow so we can actually see what's happening. And you can see on both graphs, they have potential energy. As you can see on the left-hand side. But this one has way more potential energy. That is due to the mass. This is at 0.1 kilograms, and this is at 1.5 kilograms. I could adjust this smaller, and you can see them, but even if we both have them at the exact same settings, this one's less due to the position. But I am going to switch the mass up to big and press play. This is in slow-mo, not in real life, but what you can notice about this is they're not going up quite to their full elevation. Also, they are slowing down a tiny bit. It's hard to see. And as you can see clearly, this one is going way slower. So, and we are going to actually put a periodic timer on blue. So once it passes this line, you can see how much it goes and comes down with. I switched to graph 2, and there's much more difference in it, which I find very interesting. We're going to switch to the second one on our period table and press play so it will start recording. Also, I'm going to go into normal speed once this is done so you can see actually how fast they'd be going, because this is in slow-mo. Now say we make it heavier gravity, I just messed the whole entire simulation up. And this is actually the speed that goes at. Here, there's some difference. And say I put it to 0 gravity, they start going up and down. Play with this simulation and tell me what you think in the comment section down below. See you guys next time.